For the second time in 2 weeks, a political foe of President Trump has been indicted on federal criminal charges. This time, it is New York Attorney General Letitia James.
James had successfully brought a civil fraud case against Mr. Trump. Now, a federal grand jury has indicted her on a criminal fraud charge in connection with obtaining a mortgage. Scott MacFarlane has the details.
New York Attorney General Letitia James, the state's top law enforcement official, is now a criminal defendant. Indicted by a grand jury in Alexandria, Virginia today, charged with committing bank fraud and making false statements. James denies wrongdoing.
These charges are baseless, and the president's own public statements make clear that his only goal is political retribution at any cost.
The case was filed just 3 weeks after President Trump urged his attorney general to charge James, writing, "Justice must be served now." Trump's public comments could be problematic, says former Department of Justice official Tom Dupree.
Judges and juries are aware of what's going on. They know that the president is charging his political enemies with these crimes, and they'll give that whatever weight the judges and juries decide.
Trump has long criticized James.
She's a horrible, horrible human being, and I think she's a total crook.
Who successfully brought legal action against then-former President Trump for fraud and secured a legal judgment of hundreds of millions of dollars against him in 2024, which was later overturned.
No one is above the law, and it is my responsibility and my duty and my job to enforce it.
The charges come just 1 day after another Trump target, James Comey, pleaded not guilty to federal charges he denies. The prosecutor who secured today's indictment against James is the same who charged Comey, Lindsay Halligan, a former Trump aide who was named top federal prosecutor in Virginia just days ago, replacing an ousted U.S. attorney who did not go forward with cases against Letitia James or James Comey. California Democrat Adam Schiff, also under investigation by the Department of Justice, responded to James's indictment.
All Americans should be concerned about this kind of raw abuse of the power of the Justice Department.
It was a Trump ally, a housing finance agency official, who pushed for this case, alleging Letitia James falsely claimed a Virginia home as her primary home to get a better mortgage rate. She's denied these allegations, and 2 weeks from tomorrow makes her first court appearance in Norfolk, Virginia.